Hi guys, this is Chhavi and today I will be sharing whatever little I know about how to sleep train your baby. But before I start, please subscribe to Being Woman with Chhavi and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you always stay updated with all of my videos. A lot of mothers have shared with me in the comments and the messages that they are clueless about how to make their baby sleep through the night. Well, I will share my own experience that I had with Areeza and Arham, both my babies, and how I sleep trained them. So the golden rule, which is the number one rule and which is really a simple rule to follow, is start maintaining a logbook. Just take a diary and a pen and note down everything that your baby does in the whole day. What time does he feed? How long does he feed for? If he's bottle fed, then how many ounces did he drink? What time did he sleep? How many hours did he sleep for? When did he wake up? Did he wake up hungry? Did he wake up crying? When did he start crying too much? When did he get colicky? All these things just start penning down in a notepad, and that is the first step towards sleep training your baby. Just by simply sticking to the routine that your baby is already following, you can completely set his daytime routine. And trust me, setting the baby's daytime routine is crucial to setting his nighttime routine, which is actually going to help you sleep through the night. Now that your baby's daytime routine is set, the next step is to sleep train the baby. In my experience with Areeza and Arham, both my kids, I saw and I noticed according to the logbook is that both of them wanted to sleep at around 7:30 every evening. So what I did was I started creating the exact same sleep routine for them every single day. Okay, this comprised of a massage, a nice relaxing bath, some nice relaxing music, and putting the baby to bed at exactly the same time. Now, how the baby is going to sleep on his or her own is step 2. Step 1 is to follow this routine to the T every single day till the routine actually falls into place. It might sound counterproductive, but it's imperative that you wake up your baby at the exact same time every morning. I go to Arham's room every morning at 7 o'clock and gently wake him up. Now, why is it important? It's important because only if your baby wakes up at the same time every day is he going to fall asleep at the same time every day. And what we are trying to create is a cycle. A baby is a very, very small human being who is completely dependent on you for all kinds of needs. So it's your responsibility as a parent to gently guide the baby into the correct routine. Hence, 7 to 7 or 8 to 8 or 9 to 9, whatever works for you, is the cycle that you have to follow to the T. Also, one of the most important things about sleep training a baby is how did the baby actually fall asleep? Because we all go through REM cycles when we are sleeping, rapid eye movement cycles in the night, when we all reach a light sleep stage and then we go into a deep sleep mode. But every time a baby reaches that REM cycle, and a REM cycle for baby can be roughly between 45 minutes to 1.5 hours depending on the baby's age. Now every time the baby reaches a REM cycle or finishes a REM cycle, he tends to wake up and he wants to go back to sleep the exact same way that he went to sleep the first time. So did you rock your baby to sleep? Did you carry your baby to sleep? Did you walk around with the baby to make him sleep? What did you do? That is the most important thing when it comes to sleep training the baby. So just to share a small tip with you, what I did was I got Arham used to a sleep toy. He always sleeps with a sleep toy, so every time in the night when he reaches that REM cycle or completes the cycle, he looks for his sleep toy, he grabs his sleep toy and goes right back to sleep, and hence me and my husband, both of us, get a peaceful full night of sleep also. A well-slept baby is equal to a well-slept mother, correct? I hope these tips which I shared with you do come in handy, and please make sure you do try them because I tried them with Areeza and Arham both, and both the times it really worked like a charm. And I'll be sharing a lot of other tips with you from my own experience. I will also be sharing some more weight loss tips, some more fitness tips, and pregnancy and post-pregnancy related tips. And if you think that this video helped you, or if you know of any mother who you think will benefit from this video, then please don't forget to share it and give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Being Woman with Chhavi and hit the bell icon so that you always stay notified whenever I upload a video. This is me signing out. Love and peace from me to you.